Now, you have an easy way to clean your hot tub, spa, and pool. The new Spa Vac Ultra, created by WaterTech, the pool invention people. It works perfectly without hoses, cables, or electrical connections of any kind. The Spa Vac Ultra is battery operated and will vacuum all types of dirt and debris for up to 1.5 hours of continuous use. The vacuum cleans leaves, dirt, debris, and more. It even removes small particles like sand and silt simply and easily. The vacuum is fully independent from your filtration system. It has its own filter within the cleaner that helps keep your water clean. Using 4 C-sized batteries, its powerful motor is built strong for lasting results, year after year. The new Spa Vac Ultra comes complete with a free telescopic pole, helping you reach all areas to make cleaning easy. Once you are finished vacuuming, simply rinse out the reusable filter and you're ready to clean again. The new Spa Vac Ultra, a simple and easy way to keep your spa, hot tub, and pool clean for your whole family to enjoy. Guaranteed. The Pool Blaster Max LICG is a commercial-grade cleaner for your residential pool and spa. It's more powerful and more reliable than ever before, guaranteed to save you time cleaning your pool and spa. The Pool Blaster Max LICG is completely independent from your pool's filtration system. It works without installation. It works without hoses or electrical connections of any kind. Its powerful onboard pump motor vacuums leaves, twigs, bugs, dirt, and debris. Proven results for fast, easy pool cleaning. Its reusable filter bag will also clean small particles like sand, silt, and algae. You'll love how easy it is to keep your pool and spa clean. It runs strong on rechargeable lithium-ion batteries that power the vacuum for up to 1 hour on a single charge. The Pool Blaster Max LICG will recharge in just 4 hours and be ready to use again. It fits on any telescopic pole to enable you to reach all areas of your pool and spa. You'll find this vacuum to be a powerhouse for your backyard. The Pool Blaster Max LICG is a great way for you to keep your pool and spa clean year after year. Pool Blaster Leaf Vac, a revolution in pool cleaning technology. To clean leaves faster and more efficiently from your pool than any other cleaner. You'll love how easy it is to clean large piles of leaves from the bottom of your pool. The Leaf Vac is completely self-contained. It has a battery-operated motor that creates powerful suction to lift large piles of leaves from your pool. You'll be amazed at how fast and easy it is to keep your pool clean. It not only cleans the bottom of your pool, but you can skim the surface of the pool water too. It's a great skimmer. The Leaf Vac is simple to operate. Just attach the reusable filter bag to the top of the cleaner. Attach any telescopic pole, push the button to start the propeller, and place the unit in the pool. It's that easy. The suction is powerful, allowing you to clean all areas of the pool and gather large amounts of leaves into its reusable filter bag. You don't need to use a messy long garden hose with unreliable water flow and suction. The Pool Blaster Leaf Vac is completely independent from your pool's filtration system. It's powerful and fast, cleaning leaves faster than any other cleaner. A name you can trust, the Pool Blaster Leaf Vac by WaterTech.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.